Good morning. It's currently 11 a.m. and I'm home. I got dressed, put on some Maggie McDonald, and made some lunch for me to bring to work. My day is pretty chill today. My first class, my only class got canceled, so all I have is my internship, and then I'm going to watch The Bachelor at my friend Courtney's house. So stick around for my Monday. So here's what I'm bringing to work. I have 6 chicken nuggets. They're by Purdue Simply Smart Organics. They're gluten-free chicken nuggets. And then I have some honey mustard to dip my chicken nuggets in. I made some Four Sigmatic coffee, and this one is light and cinnamon. And it's actually really good. That was my first time trying it. And I also made some Airborne Everyday Stress Away Zesty Orange water. I'm also going to bring my laptop just in case all the computers at work are taken. Alright, so here's my outfit for work. I have hoops in from Francesca's, a bag from TJ Maxx, got my coffee, dresses from, I think, Old Navy, and then I'm wearing these loafers from Calvin Klein, which are actually from TJ Maxx. Listening to Gals on the Go on my way to work.
Has anybody told you why? Have you any idea why? Did he tell you why? Has anybody told you why? Have you any idea why?
So I just got home. I went to dinner with my boyfriend at Moku Poke, and I got a sushi bowl. It's one of my favorite spots in Tallahassee. And then I also ran to Target. So I forgot to film all of that, and I'm really sorry. But I'll show you what I got from Target. I'll start with the food. So tonight I'm having a bachelor night with my friend Courtney, like I said earlier, and I'm bringing some snacks over. So I got some Lay's chips and some dip with it. And then I found this cool, I think it's like a hummus. Yeah, it's a dessert hummus, and it's red velvet flavored. So I'll keep you posted on that. I got some strawberries to dip into the red velvet hummus. And then I got some Sargento Sweet Balanced Breaks snack kits. And that is all the food that I got. I also picked up some clothing. I got this shirt that says, "Keep it green and prevent wildfires." And it's like really soft. I also got this turtleneck on sale. Just a simple green turtleneck. I got this shirt, which is like activewear, and I've been after long sleeve activewear things. So I found this really cute. And then lastly, in clothing, I got some new sweatpants. These are like mint or sage green, and they have pockets, which I love, and then a drawstring, and then the bottoms are fitted. And then I also picked up some makeup. I found this, which is the Maybelline Lash Discovery Mascara, and I totally forgot about this. This used to be one of my holy grail mascaras, especially for my bottom lashes and to top off mascara, so I put on a mascara and then I put this on top, and it makes your eyelashes super long. And then I also got this mascara. It's the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Uncensored Mascara. I've been using just the regular CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara, and this is a little different, so I wanted to see if it was as good as the Exhibitionist because I really love that mascara. I also got 2 NYX eyebrow pencils because I'm almost out of mine and I go through them kind of fast. And I got the shade Taupe. Then I got the Hydrating Camo Concealer from e.l.f. Right now I have just the regular camo concealer, and it's super drying and like clings to dry spots on my face, I'm noticing. So I wanted to try the Hydrating Camo Concealer, see if it does anything different. And then lastly, I got the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Melting Balm. I wanted to see if this was good, if it took off my makeup super easy in the shower and at night. So I'll let you know.
A little bit more reserved, and Peter is still exploring the options.
For breakfast, I'm just having a hash brown and some scrambled eggs with spinach in it, and then I've got my coffee over here. Cheers.
Did he tell you what?
Just got done with orchestra management and I'm on my way to TSO.
Has any
Here's a quick little outfit of the day. This shirt is from Banana Republic. The necklace is from PuraVida. The pants are from JCPenney's. Apple Watch. And then my shoes are from TJ Maxx again.
what he told you what? Have you any idea what?
Alright, so today I had an interview with an internship that I'm looking at, and then I just watched some Netflix and snuggled with Ollie and made some dinner, which I forgot to show you, but I just made some chicken Alfredo. And now I'm headed to my friend Justin's to meet his cat because I'll be cat sitting over the weekend, and then I have campus orchestra rehearsal. Good morning, it's currently 9:22 a.m. and for breakfast I had yogurt and fruit, and I forgot to show it, of course. I did my makeup with my new mascara that I got. I really like it. I don't know if I like this one better or the original Exhibitionist CoverGirl mascara, so I'll keep you posted. Today I have audience development and marketing. And then I have work, which is a University Philharmonia rehearsal. Here's my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this dress from Natural Life. And then I'm wearing these boots from Amazon, actually. Hi guys, so I had class, which was audience development, as I said earlier, and then I came home and took a nap with Ollie. What a nugget. Just got done with a UPO rehearsal, and now I'm headed to dinner at Chewy's. Hi guys, so I'm back from Chewy's, and I picked up a package that I got at the leasing office, and this is from Influenster. It's the box. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna open it on camera. So I got Live Clean Apple Cider Detox Shampoo. This says it's a gentle shampoo for oily hair to help detox all hair types from all buildup. Oh, and there's a conditioner. The conditioner is formulated to gently condition and restore moisture and shine while helping to remove dulling residue. And these are $5.99 each. So that's actually not too expensive. And you get 12 fluid ounces in each. I also got Core's Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream Moisturizer, which is $36 for the full size, but this is just a sample size. And it says, this high-performance gel cream moisturizer is powered by real probiotic-rich Greek yogurt, a skin-soothing superfood. It immediately melts into skin and unlocks time-released hydration for 48 hours. This is what it looks like. And then lastly, I got Tofife, which is a crunchy whole hazelnut, smooth hazelnut cream, and chewy caramel cup, topped with a dollop of rich chocolate. The perfect bite of candy that will leave you satisfied without slowing you down. And this is $1.19. Let me see if it's gluten-free. Okay, so this is not gluten-free, so I'll be giving this to my boyfriend. And this is called the Be Mine Box. I'm gonna link my referral code down below in case you guys are interested in trying it out. It's just an app where you take surveys and they send you products to try out and then you review them. So if you're interested, click the link. So I got done with orchestra management, my class, and then I had my internship at the TSO, which is the Tallahassee Symphony Orchestra, and now I'm headed home to let Ollie out. I just realized I never showed you guys an outfit of the day. So I'm wearing this necklace, I forget where it's from, this top from Target, this cardigan from JCPenney's, these black skinny jeans from American Eagle, and then my black flats are from H&M. Here's an outfit of the day. Headband, I have no idea where it's from. Shirt is from Target. And I have it tucked into these pants again from American Eagle. I wore them yesterday. And then I'm wearing my Calvin Klein loafers that are from TJ Maxx.
Anybody told you what?
I dropped Ollie off at Petco. I picked up a key from Justin so I could feed his cat. And then I went home. Oh, and then I went grocery shopping. And then I went home, did some cleaning, put my groceries away, started making chicken in the Instant Pot for Ollie for his food. And now I'm coming back to Petco to pick him up. And it is 3:58.